Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy ay pakihingi na isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about solving problems involving factors of polynomials. Okay, so example agad tayo. Okay. Example. Ano ba yan? Oh my goodness. Uy. Ayan. So, a vegetable garden in rectangular shape has a total area of 84 feet or 84 square feet. The gardener wants to make the length 8 feet longer than the width. Find the dimensions of this garden, its width and its length. Okay, so unang-una, i-illustrate muna natin yung problem natin or yung vegetable garden na rectangular shape. So, i-draw muna natin yan. Okay? Okay, pasensya na kayo sa drawing ha. Hindi siya perfect na rectangle. Okay, para mapakita lang natin dito yung rectangular shape. So, yung area niya, total area of 84. Ito yung area eh. Square feet or feet square. Okay? So, this is the width. Ito yung width. Ito yung length. Okay? So, ngayon, the gardener wants to make the length, okay, 8 feet longer than the width. Okay, so ibig sabihin, ito yung width, this is equal to x, kasi hindi natin alam yan. Tapos itong length, ibig sabihin ng 8 feet longer than the width, that is x plus 8. Okay, di ba? Mas ano siya sa width. Longer, 8 feet longer than width. Okay, so kunin natin o gawa tayo ng equation diyan. So, yung formula ng area of a rectangle, that is area that is equal to length times width. Okay, so yung area natin is 84 square feet, di ba? 84. Tapos yung length, that is x plus 8 times yung width na x. Okay? Then 84, pahin muna natin yan. Then i-distribute natin ito. X times x, that is x squared. Tapos yan. So plus 8x. Okay? Tapos ang gagawin natin dito, we have to add negative 84 or mag-subtract tayo both sides ng 84. So 84 minus 84 equals x squared plus 8x minus 84. So, ito 0 na yan. Okay? So, that is x squared plus 84, 8x squared plus 8x minus 84. Okay, ngayon, ang gagawin natin, we will factor this one using the factoring general quadratic trinomial when a is equal to 1. Si x squared plus 8x minus 84. So, yung A, hanapin natin yung A, that is 1. Yung B is 8. Tapos, yung C is 84, or negative 84. So, yung AC, or yung C natin, AC, that is equal to negative 84. So, gagawin natin dito, hanap tayo ng mga possible factors of negative 84 na kanilang sum ay 8. Okay? So, factors of negative 84. So, ano yung mga possible factors of negative 84? Negative 84 times 1, that is negative 84. Pero hindi pwede yung sum. So, hanap pa tayo ng iba ha. 6, try natin si positive 6 times negative 14. So, this is negative 84. Pero yung sum nila, 6 plus negative 14, that is negative 8. So, hindi pwede. Dapat yung sum is positive. So, baliktarin natin. Negative 6. So, negative 6 times negative 14. Times 14. Positive. Equals negative 84. Yung sum naman, negative 6 plus 14, that is positive 8. So, therefore, ito yung factor nating hinahanap. Negative 6 and positive 14. So, therefore, x, first factor, negative 6. Tapos, yung isa is x plus 14. Okay? Equate natin into 0. So, first is x minus 6 equals 0. Yung isa, x plus 14 equals 0. Plus yan na plus. Okay, ayusin ko lang ha. Hindi na siya mag-ano. So, tuloy na lang natin. So, therefore, x, transpose natin si negative 6 to the right, magiging 6. Then, ito si 14, magiging negative 14. Okay, so since we are dealing with the distance, which is the length and width of the vegetable garden, the negative solution, ito si negative, is ano yan siya, invalid or not valid siya. Okay, so the value of our x is 6. Okay, so therefore, yung area equals length times width. Yung area natin is 84 equals yung x is 6 plus 8. Ito yung value ni length, di ba? Yan, oh. Si length, x plus 8. So, therefore, 6 plus 8 times width na x or yung 6. So, 84 equals 6 plus 8 is 14. Yun ang value ni length. Okay, tapos times 6, yun ang value ni width. So, 84 equals 84. Kung multiply mo yan, si 14 times 6, that is 84. Okay, so maraming salamat sa panonood. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell at para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so maraming salamat and God bless.